Morning, guys. Happy Thursday morning. Just want to address a couple things this morning, and I'll get on with my day here. My daughter fell sick last night, so not heading back out to that out of town job today. I'm probably going to take today and tomorrow off. I got a couple things I got to do this weekend, and then next week I should be back full bore. It's been kind of rough lately, trying to schedule all these jobs and get everything done. My daughter's 4 years old, so she's either sick or she's got some issue. And this time of year, it seems like all of our babysitters and daycare people are taking time off. So it's kind of thrown a fly in the ointment on my work, which is fine. Family comes first. So what I wanted to address this morning is, I always tell people not to assume things about people on the internet. And, I'm guilty of that myself, and I apologize to a certain person, initials TC, that I assumed that he was talking about smoking pot when he meant smoking cigarettes. Well, I want to make it very clear to everybody that I don't do either. I never have. I've never stuck a cigarette in my mouth before. Now, I have smoked pot a few times in my 20s. I think we all did. But as far as cigarettes, I've never stuck a cigarette in my mouth, and that's not the reason for me being tired. It's because we're all getting older, and I don't do any cardio other than my work. So that's on me to work on that as I get older, as I get closer to 50. And I think it's something that we should all do. We should all take better care of ourselves. I like to have a few beers and have fun and unwind, and that's probably not very good for me either. So I just wanted to address that. The other thing I wanted to address is, all of us HVAC contractors on YouTube, or in general, if you work with other guys or talk to other guys on forums or whatnot, we're all in this together. I've said it before, and we should all work together to get along and support one another, and that's what I'm all about. Some are just so quick to assume things and so quick to judge and critique and whatever else they got going on. I'm guilty of that. I used to do that when I was younger, but I don't do that anymore. I used to badmouth my competitors in town, and that's just not what I'm about, and not what I want to do with my company or with my life in general. If someone's not doing a good job out there, if somebody's doing something wrong, we can point that out to them. But where it gets to the point of insults and bad mouthing and all that, I'm not into that, and I will never be into that. Same thing with the politic thing. All these guys want to talk politics. I'm not going to do it. You can, if you want to ask me about my political views and all that, we can do that in private. I think if you guys do a little bit of research, you could find that out on your own anyway. But it's not something that I'm going to talk about on a YouTube channel, because basically you're alienating half the people in the country by doing that, and that doesn't make any sense in my book. To make one side a favorite of yours and then alienate the other side, it's really stupid, and it has no place in an HVAC YouTube channel. It just doesn't. So all that being said, I hope everybody enjoys their Thursday, enjoys this weekend. I'm sure I'll talk to you before then. And hey, let's all keep moving onward and upward, and have fun, and make money, and take care of your family and your friends and your customers. So have a good day, everybody.